And my kids are going, you can see all the horses here. My kids are going for the horse riding and I'm going to watch them. Are you guys are ready, eh?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
But the sound is not excitement sound. Bye bye. Ooh, awesome. Awesome. Eh? Bye. Oh. Awesome, awesome, awesome. It's a liquid crystal.
Wow.
Yeah, and that one is
Oh, sure.
tortilla. That's a tortilla one. This is the biggest art in wine gallery. Do you see the centerpiece? Phew, the small one is 1,200. This is beautiful, I'm telling you.
Wow. This one is nice.
Are these perfumes or what?
Nah, I think it's
Yeah, the showpiece, ne?
Hmm. She's coming.
Baba? Where is she?
She's coming now.
Where did she go?
Outside.
Here you see the collections.
Yeah. That's Mary and
It's
a little lamb.
It's very realistic, I'm telling you. Ne?
Mm.
And even this side, you see, these are also showcase. But if you see the price, 6,000 rand one is. You look at this one. This is dino, ne? No. This is hippo.
No, it's a water.
What? Because the price for this one is 5,750. Sana, you want this wine? Okay. Wow. This is awesome. But the price is 13,000. The small one is 2,000. As you see the cup, 3,500. And the wall pictures. This is pretty, eh? This is the cardboard. Oh, all same designs. Ne?
Mm.
And here, it's a perfect showpiece, but it's very expensive. Very expensive. But this is the biggest art gallery in Clarens. This is 495. Huh? It's the only one I'm seeing that's less expensive. Look at the wall pictures. It's beautiful, right?
Mm.
What is happening? It's ocean waves.
Mm.
It's ocean waves. That one is realistic, very realistic, eh?
Mm-hmm.
And here, look at here. This one takes it. spray painting, oil painting.
Oh.
It is oil painting. Oh, this is awesome. This one is awesome. Yeah. You go inside. These are all pictures of traditional Silver Age. The children are playing on. It is something really portrayed well, right? This is the scenery. That's an African. Lunch. This also, right?
Mm.
Here, these are the wine. Cape wine. Everything is wine famous. It's the wine. These are the wine. Wine. Are they from Cape? Where are they from? All Cape, huh?
Yeah, I think so.
Looks like it. Viewers, all our wine. This is called a wine gallery. But you know what? Are you sure?
This is the Clarens town. And here's are the shops. There's a lot of art galleries here. Yeah. These are all the restaurants.
You guys are enjoying food, eh? And yours is?
Cape Malay, lamb curry.
Lamb curry and rice.
Cape Malay.
And the rice as well.
Yeah.
And yours is?
Pasta.
Pasta?
Any
meat?
Pasta. No, this one here, I think it's vegetables.
It's vegetarian. And yours is?
The cordon bleu, this beef fillet and rice.
Okay. Mine is a vegetable curry, rice, and then sauces. So we are going to enjoy the food. Ne? So now we started. It's 2 line, but it is a 3 line. Let's be careful. Like 10:30 means, according to this garment, I think 1:30. Ne? 3 hours will be in Nigel, right?
Yes.
That's fine. 3 hours can be manageable. Then I'll take a break, eh?
Yes.
Then you'll take a one.
Yes.
Alright. Then it's fine.
What's the maximum?
Oh, I'm in 120. I think I must use. Okay, give me some Coke to drink.
Yeah,
I'm
some Coke.
very thirsty. Very, very thirsty.
Thank you.
Right. You know why the garment is not coming in the middle? You know, the back side, the hook. That one is protruding. That is why it's not fixing it properly. But this is fine, eh?
It's fine, eh?
Yeah, it's
Okay.
fine. It's fine. As long as it shows us the way. Yeah, it's okay. So let's click that. Okay, now holidays are finished. We are on our way back to home. We enjoyed very well. Clarens is such a beautiful place, and you have a lot of activities. We did, and our kids did a lot of activities, including challenging activities. So those who are living in South Africa, please do visit Clarens. You will never go wrong. Those who are visiting or those who plan to visit South Africa, please do visit the small town as well. It's got a number of activities and the nature's beauty. I hope you have enjoyed all my videos which I have posted posted now. Before you get into the video, subscribe guys, please subscribe, and bell notification, like and share. And thanks for watching. Once again, it's bye from the entire Sunflower family. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.